Good. Who is the President of India? Very good. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? What is the capital of India? What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? What is the name of your country? What is the name of your city? Which is our national fruit? Which is our national flower? Which is our national animal?